She said, I read this news in one Arabic magazine which speaks about the biggest copy of the Holy Quran, which is made of metal plates dipped in gold.
Is it made?
It was engraved on metal plates, which is also dipped in gold, 24 carats gold. And it's made of 650 plates. And she wants to know, because those people, I believe in Saudi Arabia, they want to enter the Guinness Book of Record by making this biggest copy of the Holy Quran available. So she wants to...
all against... please, she wants to...
She wants to know, is this the way that Allah wants His book to be known and recognized by people? And also, does the Muslim needs to prove themselves that خَيْرَ أُمَّةٍ أُخْرِجَتْ لِلنَّاسِ through this way?
This is absolutely wrong, because it's against the teaching of the Holy Quran to write the Quran in gold and studded it with jewels, etc. This is totally rejected by the Quran, this attitude. It is the value of the meaning of the Quran which should be concentrated upon, and people should understand the real value, which is spiritual, moral, and value of conduct. This is what we must concentrate upon. As far as these material efforts to decorate Quran are concerned, such material efforts should be decried, should be looked down upon, and completely rejected by those who have any regard for the holiness of the Quran.